There are lots of car amplifiers you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these car amplifiers are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Boss Audio Systems R1100M. The Boss Audio Systems R1100M monoblock car amplifier delivers powerful performance with its 1100 watt peak power output, designed to enhance your vehicle's audio system. This amplifier is highly versatile and compatible with 2 to 8 ohm impedance, making it suitable for a variety of car speakers and subwoofers. The R1100M features both low and high level inputs, allowing easy integration with almost any head unit, whether it has RCA outputs or not. Equipped with a MOSFET power supply, the amplifier ensures efficient and stable power delivery for high-quality sound output. The built-in low-pass crossover allows you to filter out high frequencies, focusing the amplifier's power on deep bass tones for better sound control and precision. Its compact design makes it easy to install in any vehicle, while the sleek modern look adds a touch of style. Whether you're an audiophile or just want to improve your car's sound system, the Boss R1100M is an excellent choice for delivering clear, crisp audio with deep bass. Number 2. Scotch LOC2SL. The Scotch LOC2SL line output converter is a versatile, adjustable amplifier add-on module designed to enhance car stereo systems. This 2-channel device converts speaker wire signals into RCA outputs, allowing you to seamlessly connect your factory or aftermarket stereo to an external amplifier for improved sound quality. With its signal sensing technology, the LOC2SL automatically detects incoming audio signals, turning on your amplifier without additional wiring for a remote turn-on LED. This line output converter features adjustable output levels, ensuring optimal sound performance tailored to your system's needs. The included remote control knob allows easy adjustment of bass levels from the driver's seat, offering convenient control over your audio experience. Built for durability and performance, its compact black design fits seamlessly into tight spaces in your vehicle. The Scotch LOC2SL is an ideal choice for those looking to upgrade their car audio system without extensive rewiring, providing a reliable and user-friendly solution for boosting amplifier connectivity. Number 3. Planet Audio AC1500. The Planet Audio AC 1500.1M monoblock car amplifier delivers powerful and clear sound for car audio enthusiasts. With a maximum power output of 1500 watts, it is designed to enhance your car's audio system. The amplifier is 2/4 ohm stable, allowing it to work with a variety of subwoofers and speakers, giving you flexibility in your setup. It operates on Class 8B technology, known for high efficiency and superior sound quality, offering crisp and distortion-free audio. Equipped with a MOSFET power supply, the AC 1500.1M ensures efficient power regulation, providing consistent performance without overheating. It includes a variable low-pass filter to adjust the frequency response, letting you fine-tune your bass output. The remote subwoofer control allows easy access to bass level adjustments from the driver's seat, offering convenience and precise control. Its compact design makes it easy to install, fitting well into most car setups. Number 4. Pioneer GMA37022 Channel Bridgeable. The Pioneer GMA37022 Channel Bridgeable Amplifier is a versatile and powerful audio component designed for car audio enthusiasts who want to enhance their sound system. This amplifier offers 500 watts of peak power, delivering high-quality sound with dynamic clarity and depth. Its 2-channel configuration allows it to drive multiple speakers, while the bridgeable feature enables you to combine channels for increased power output, perfect for powering a subwoofer. Built with advanced circuitry, the GMA37022 is engineered for optimal performance and reliability, preventing distortion and overheating. The sleek black and red design adds a touch of modern aesthetics, making it a stylish addition to any vehicle interior. With variable LPF, low-pass filter, control, you can fine-tune the bass response to your liking, ensuring a customized listening experience. The compact size of the amplifier makes it easy to install in a variety of car models, without taking up too much space. Number 5. Terams TS400X4 400 watts RMS4. The Terams TS400X4 is a powerful 400-watt RMS 4-channel full-range car audio amplifier, designed to deliver high-quality sound performance. This Class D amplifier is compact yet robust, making it an ideal choice for both space-saving and power-hungry setups. With its versatile 4-channel configuration, you can connect multiple speakers or bridge 2 channels for enhanced power, offering flexibility in system design. The amplifier's RCA inputs ensure seamless integration with various audio sources, providing clear signal transmission for an immersive listening experience. This multi-channel amplifier system is engineered for full-range sound reproduction, meaning it effectively handles low, mid, and high frequencies. The Class D technology enhances efficiency, producing high output power with reduced heat generation. Its small size makes it easy to install, fitting comfortably in most car audio setups.